step into the 2007 Toyota Corolla. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include tachometer, adjustable headrests, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, outside temperature gauge, rear bench seat, child safety locks, clock, and emergency trunk release. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.